Keep dropping this.
Venus told others that he wanted to call his red four.
What happened?
Just dropped it. Venus.
Huh? So I just dropped it. Your phone? Yeah.
He immediately
You cracked it?
the right to a franchise so that he could
Dog.
use it as a
Yeah, what you mean? You got the wrong case
sell
on here.
franchises to others. Between
You need this case, man.
1959, Croc succeeded in opening one.
I'm gonna do it fast.
Go.
Why did it spell so fast?
Where you going?
Oh, now it's different.
All you gotta do really is what? Take this off? Or no? Where you going to?
Huh?
Where you taking the wall to?
I don't know, you told me. I was gonna stop it here.
So you just gonna have to, well, this beam here for a reason, ain't it?
Well, we could reinforce it. We could take it off and put a new one, stand it. Or we could just take this off.
No, you could put the new one, yeah. Make it open a little bit more.
And over there, like 8 inches that way it looks wider.
Right, okay. There's this. So that one gonna have to go over there then.
Yeah, I'm gonna move this one into here. All those plugs are gonna be here.
And then that one over there, down there at the bottom?
Yeah, and this one will be here in the bottom. This wall is gonna stay.
Right, yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, that wall's fine. You just over here, the boom. Probably gonna have to move this where the stove was at?
Yeah.
So I wonder.
It's a 220 plug, but it's broke, so
I have to change it. So I need to tell Joe to do it. It's cold again. Woo! Cool, looking good, looking good.
I wanted to sit down. I guess there are the seats.
Why do you need to sit down? Here.
No, so.
Yeah, that look real good. Go down here right quick.
Let me show you something real quick. Just twist it.
What up, what up? Woo! Joe, you look like you know what you're doing.
I see the stack right there. That ain't nothing.
Right.
But this needs to be changed.
All this
now.
got to be changed.
Right. Okay. But this right here, this is nothing. This will fire up. This was
Yeah,
jammed up.
he had to manually like get it to start. It wouldn't.
When I first didn't do it, sometimes when it starts, it does that. Put some W40 on.
So basically, need a new wheel and a new.
No, you don't need no wheel. You don't need no wheel. You know, once
as long as you know what we need, we good.
Once you start that, all that start falling off.
Right, from the heat. From the heat.
From the heat, exactly.
Right.
even for example, he wants it to be up.
High tech.
Okay. What piece? What, the light? Yeah, you keep it. No, you have. Yeah, that is a nice. That's a nice fan back here. It's newer. You just need the dome. Not nice, but you know, it's, I don't know where the dome at.
Dang. You can go buy one of these from Home Depot, keep the motherfucker.
It's just dirty. Yeah.
So you gonna start opening it up, huh?
Well, it was already open.
No, I'm talking about the installation.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. But it's like, well, how many rows left? 1, 2, 3, 4.
In your bathroom right here.
Yeah, 4, 5. Oh, with the pipe.
Yeah. I'll put me a bathroom.